A VPN, or virtual private network, encrypts your internet connection and routes it through a secure server. This protects your data on managed networks and, when permitted, can allow access to websites that are blocked by firewall-level filtering. For this tutorial, I'll show you how to do this using NordVPN, one of the fastest and most trusted VPNs available. You can check the link in the description to try NordVPN at a discounted price. First, open your web browser and go to the NordVPN website using the link below this video. Choose a plan that fits your needs. Once you've created your account, download and install the NordVPN app on your device. NordVPN works on Windows, macOS, Android, iOS, and even routers if you want to protect your entire home network. Once the installation is complete, open the NordVPN app and log in with the account you just created. You will see a list of countries and servers. For the best speed, connect to a nearby country. If the Sophos Firewall is very strict, NordVPN also offers obfuscated servers, which are designed to work better on restricted or filtered networks. Once connected, open your browser and revisit the website that was previously blocked by Sophos. In many cases, it should now load normally. If it doesn't, try switching servers or refreshing the page. Remember to use this responsibly. Do not attempt to disable firewall protections, access illegal content, or violate network rules. A VPN should be used for privacy, security, and legitimate access only. So that's how to unblock websites restricted by a Sophos firewall, safely and responsibly. Protect your privacy, stay secure on managed networks, and always follow the rules. And if you want to try NordVPN for yourself, I've included a link in the description with a limited time discount. It also comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's no risk in trying it out. If you're watching this on a TV or iPad, you can also scan the QR code on screen to get started